the project was inaugurated, and we have also not started using the kind of the road. Maybe we will start using it in a couple of days, because we are also doing a trial run. Basically, I don't know what is the controversy. I think if it is about the gate which we have put, it's an entry point to the port. All the entry points to the port will have to be secured. So we are an ISPS compliant port, where we follow the international guidelines to secure the. So all the entry points, if there are anything through which people can enter, there will be a gate. See, it is not the public. What we have to understand is that project is a port connectivity project. The transportation is towards the kind of port. There is a down ramp, there is an up ramp for the cargo movement to our Baina warehouse. If you have seen our Baina storage area, so whether people can go, that can be decided by the government of Goa through a proper kind of a traffic. Our concern is there are two concerns. One is related to port security. I think the CISF is also here. Any entry point to the port will have to have a gate, because in times of emergency or in law, we'll have to close it.